I'm Divishika. Welcome to Radio Bharati. Let's begin with the top news updates of the day. The headlines: PM Modi and Japanese PM Sanae Takaichi strongly condemn terrorism and violent extremism in all forms. ECI seeks responses from rival faction of AITC regarding competing claims about party's organizational elections. 9 killed and 20 injured in cafe blast in Damascus, Syria. Iran Supreme Leader Mojtaba Khamenei to skip former Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei's funeral over security concern. Asian stock market end lower today. Gold rises 0.5%, silver slips 0.1% in Indian bullion market. BCCI announces schedule for India's two-match test series against Sri Lanka. ICC Women's T20 World Cup, England defeat South Africa by 40 runs in second semi-final in London. Now, news in brief. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Japanese counterpart Sanae Takaichi have unequivocally and strongly condemned terrorism and violent extremism in all its forms and manifestations, including cross-border terrorism from Pakistan. The Election Commission of India has sought responses from rival faction of All Indian Trinamool Congress regarding competing claims about the party's organizational elections and authorized signatories. In Syria, an explosive device detonated in an Damascus cafe yesterday, killing at least 9 people. The Interior Ministry reported the device was planted inside the cafe located 100 meters from the place of justice in the capital's Herat district. Iran Supreme Leader Mojtaba Khamenei will not attend the funeral of his father, former Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei, due to security concerns. According to the current leader representative in India, Ayatollah Hakim Elahi, threats and surveillance risk made it unsafe for the leader to appear in public. Most Asian stock market indices ended lower today. South Korea's Kospi plunged 7.9%, dragged by chip stocks. Japan's Nikkei 225 shed 2.5%. China's Shanghai Composite fell 2%. Taiwan's TAIEX dropped 0.6%. In the Indian bullion market, 24-carat gold was trading 0.5% up at 1,43,610 rupees per 10 grams, while silver was trading 0.1% down at 2,28,550 rupees per kilogram a short while ago. The Board of Control for Cricket in India has announced the schedule for India's two-match test series against Sri Lanka to be played from the 15th to the 27th of next month. In the ICC Women's T20 World Cup, host England defeated South Africa by 40 runs in the second semi-final at the Kennington Oval in London to set up a title clash with Australia. That's all for the day. For more such updates, stay tuned to Radio Bharati. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.